Hi everyone, Pete from Chill Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making this little peg monster. So you're going to need your peg, your pipe cleaners, wool, a tiny little bit of string, your beads and your googly eye, and you also need some scissors. So we're going to start by doing the hair. So you're going to get your wool, pick the colour that you want to use. So you're going to get it, pinch it between two fingers, between your finger and your thumb, and then you're going to wrap it round loads of times. That's probably enough. You do as much as you want. So now you've got it like that. You get your string and you're going to tie this in the middle of it. Pull it nice and tight and do another knot. But don't cut them off because you're going to use them to attach it to the peg. And then you just snip at the ends. So that's the crazy hair. So next, get one of your pipe cleaners, pick a colour. I'm going to get blue. So you wedge it through. So it's halfway. You're going to pop one of your beads on. Decide on your arm length, and then you're going to bend it round and twist the pipe cleaner, and then do the same on the other side. Again, same length, different lengths. It's all up to you. And then you're going to wrap the bits that are left over around the peg, and then just tuck them in. Like so. Then you get crazy hair, put it between them, but you use the string to tie it on. And you can snip the ends of the string then. Need to get your googly eye. Oh, and a little bit of glue. Just put some glue on it. Pop that on the peg. There you go. You've done your little peg monster.